Notes to myself, no predictions this year, no putting bets on any of the cricket matches, and making sure that I physically hold you from putting any tweets about Rishabh Pant when he's in the 90s.
Oops. गलती से मिस्टेक हो गया यार, मतलब हो गया वो.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Cricket Fables as we look back at day 3 of the Chennai Test, and yet again it was a day that Indian fans would not be very happy with, Jamie, because अगर हम तीनों दिन देख ले तो India have just been better in 2 sessions. Otherwise, in at least 8 sessions, we've just seen England dominate, and today was no different. And how brilliant was Dom Bess? And to think that everybody was saying maybe Dom Bess shouldn't have been in the team. Moeen Ali should have come in. But क्या करें, इस बार तो कोई prediction बनाते ही नहीं है.
Prediction करना ही बेकार है, हम देख चुके हैं अक्सर. But you know, this is what Test cricket does. You know, I mean, हम यहाँ बैठे हैं 2 दिन से कह रहे हैं कि हाँ pitch जो है काफी flat है. Most likely outcome, you know, would be a draw. But then you see day 3, all of a sudden the ball starts to do things, and there's no doubt that someone like a Jofra Archer bowled better than any other fast bowler. And this is the exact reason, Meha, why they got Archer rested and back for this match. He comes in on this, up till now it was fairly docile and lifeless. He starts bowling quick, he starts bowling full, he gets the ball to sit up, and then he gets the openers, you know, he gets Rohit Sharma playing from the crease, he gets Shubman Gill. Chalo, Shubman Gill bowling hai yaar, maine thodi galat shot mari. But this is what you want from a fast bowler. You run in, you get out the opening batsman from a different team. फिर Dom Bess, I mean, हमने काफी Monty से बात किया था, Monty Panesar से, Nick Knight से, और लोगों से, British journalists से, and the common view, including us, was that he is the weakest spinner of the 3 that England have on in their squad. But then he goes and gets, you know, 4 big wickets. चलो पुजारा वाला तो यार मतलब पोप का अगर ये शोल्डर नहीं आता तो
lots of love. Sending you lots of love. I mean, there is no actually पुजारा को और किसी तरीके से you couldn't have gotten him out.
He was looking.
This was probably the only way जहाँ पे ball ricochets off Oli Pope's helmet and goes to Rory Burns, because he was looking so good. And so was Rishabh Pant. And what was interesting to watch was that here you have these 2 absolutely contrasting batsmen. तो मतलब मुझे तो यही लगता रहता है कि when these 2 are batting, and we were discussing this, Jamie, as well, what must they be thinking? Like when Pujara must see, when he's on non-striker's end and he's watching Rishabh Pant go at Jack Leach, what must he be thinking? He's like, yeah, what is he doing? Can he just be a little more?
ये करता कैसा है? You know, of course, very different styles, and each one has their own method for success. But really, it must have been a fascinating. और बीच में जब Pant आए crease पे, तो I remember that Pujara had tweeted back to Pant when he got his birthday wishes on January 25th, 26th, and he's saying, you know, thanks Rishabh, looking forward to bat with you again. And that picture he took was the one where from Brisbane, जहाँ पे Pujara अपना bat उठा रहे, and Pant's giving him a hug on that epic day 5. And who would have thought that in the very next innings they'd both be together again, playing brilliantly, taking India, you know, towards a position of safety. But दोनों out हुए Dom Bess की ball पे. Pujara unfortunately, वो हमने देखा था 90s में या 2001 series में, who was it? Lakshman or Tendulkar pulled the ball and it hit the short legs hand towards Blewett or one of the fielders. मुझे याद नहीं है. So many different matches are flying. And then Rishabh Pant, going back to my jinx tweet, sorry. 92 and 92 in his previous 2 innings in India, both times charging out, caught in the deep, and I think short third man when trying to go there. Aaj bhi, 91. Look, that was the way that Pant played all through the day. Jack Leach को 6-7 छक्के मारे, Dom Bess को inside out पहले भी उन्होंने मारा था, but this one was just perhaps not the ball to try. But you know, that's how he played, and how fun were those 91 runs. So it can't be too harsh on him. कुछ होता है ऋषभ भाई को जब 90s में आते हैं, but you know, और भी रन मारेंगे वो.
एक चीज जो है वो देखने की बात ये है कि ऋषभ पंत के लिए भी जगह है इस टीम में, और जैसा वो खेलते हैं उसके लिए भी जगह है, और चेतेश्वर पुजारा, देयर इज स्पेस फॉर obviously someone like Cheteshwar Pujara, and that's what you got to see, because both of them were obviously getting their runs in very different manner, right? Puji, you could see, first of all, great footwork against the spinners, right?
Superb.
And then you have Rishabh, who a lot of people would have thought, please don't step out and hit a spinner for a 6. But he was still making sure that he was only taking on Jack Leach and not Dom Bess. So there was that respect ki bhai, Dom Bess is bowling well. He's just got the wicket of Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane. I'm going to give him all the respect that he deserves, and rightfully so. But there was a method in his madness, as everybody is saying, as the cliche is with Rishabh Pant. But in the end, आप वैसे खेलोगे तो फिर आप out भी वैसे ही होगे. So,
you know, because
I think it's time we should just accept this about Pant कि भाई वो ऐसे खेलेंगे. He will keep us at the edge of our seats. He will just provide us with the thrill, and that's why it is so thrilling, right? To watch Rishabh Pant play, because you wonder कि यार अब out होगा. Oh no, क्या छक्का मार दिया. You know, the on drives, the way he was
very solid inning. Even, you know, हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं उनकी hitting spinners के against, पर उन्होंने break के बाद, second break के बाद जो एक back foot punch मारा था.
Jimmy Anderson को?
I mean, like what, you know, close to the body, very tough shot to play, but he played it so well. So again, you know, we've talked about Pant in Sydney, in Brisbane, और यहाँ लगातार तीसरी मैच के लिए पंत ने एक बेहतरीन innings खेली. 100 नहीं हुआ, but you know what, he's given India something. But overall, yes, like you were saying, it's been England's day again, because like Ben Stokes said on after day 2, हम declare नहीं करने वाले, हमें batting एक बार करना है. We know we have a lot of overs to be bowled, and so you know, I guess one of the main talking points was in the morning, यार ये कब declare करेंगे? उन्होंने नहीं किया था. You know, they extended their innings. फिर जैसे कि हमने कहा था, Archer got the 2 opening wickets, but then going back to Dom Bess, like you said, a bowler which everyone was saying, यार ये तो club bowler हैं. The wickets he got in Sri Lanka, especially that 5-wicket haul, you know, थोड़ा सस्ता 5-wicket haul था वो. पर यहाँ पे आप इनके wickets देखो, you know, and I think getting Virat Kohli and Rahane in those 2 back-to-back overs, that is probably what England are going to take the biggest satisfaction from.
Correct.
Because, you know, India का captain, or you know, and the captain who led them in Australia, इनके wickets लेने के बाद, and look, best bowled well, you know, you cannot say कि, you know,
absolutely,
ठीक है, एक
frankly, even Jack Leach did not bowl that badly.
Leach did not bowl, लेकिन जब आपका frontline spinner is going for 9-10 per over, you know, this was just fun. The way that we saw Ben Stokes was going after Shahbaz Nadeem, you know, on day 2, this was a calculated attack, because they had to, like you said exactly, Pant को था मालूम कि भाई ये best जो है, जो भी है, not as experienced, not as clever a spinner as Jack Leach, लेकिन आज के दिन इन्होंने हमारे 2 बड़े विकेट्स निकाले. हम तो
against the spin भी वो करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे थे.
You saw against Bess, he was going inside out, yes, but he was more, you know, cutting and sweeping. Leach को तो भाई कितने 5-6 छक्के मारे उन्होंने जैक लीच को, वो भी बड़े you know, and just in the same area, between that cow corner and long on region. I think वो एक गया था शायद डीप विकेट के ऊपर. बट मैं यहाँ जितने भी हम तारीफ कर रहे हैं पंत की और पुजारा की, पॉइंट ये कि इंडिया अब तो 320 रन से पीछे हैं. क्या है फॉलो ऑन? 122 रन,
which I think अगर होता है तो इंग्लैंड seem like they are going to enforce it, obviously.
Yes,
वो जिस तरह से अपने bowlers को, he was making sure his fast bowlers were ready for it.
तो स्टोक्स ने बोल दिया.
पर एक और चीज है जेमी, and that is Rohit Sharma and the way he got out. Do you want to talk about it?
लोग जो हैं, जो मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हैं या जो मेरे ट्वीट्स देखे होंगे, उनको लगता होगा कि यार I have a problem with Rohit Sharma. I do not have a problem with Rohit Sharma. बेहतरीन outrageous talent he has, but कहीं ना कहीं चलो आज it's not about आज के वो temperament, आज उनको अच्छी गेंद मिली थी. He did not get himself out. That ball set up a little bit more than he would have thought. But it's more about, you know, what he brings. वो 34 के होने वाले हैं. How long do you want to persist with Rohit Sharma, the opener? I think उनकी सही जगह है middle order में. आज मैंने काफी लोगों से मेरी बहस चल रही थी ट्विटर पे, like you do. During matches, it was fun. It was nothing
like you do when Meha is asking you something and you don't reply.
वो थोड़ा हम stats में झांक के, या तो like she said, I'm always doing some fantasy league type thing. वो छोड़ो. Look, you know, Rohit Sharma, like he got those 2 starts in Australia, 42 and 50 odd. Out हुए थे वहाँ पे, वो short खेलते out हुए. आज वो rooted to the crease थे. That's a different matter. But you know, my question is, how long are they going to persist with Rohit Sharma, who's going to be 34 in April? You know, is he better off playing in the middle order?
One beep comes and Jamie looks at his phone.
BCCI का WhatsApp मैसेज है इस बार, आप भी देखिए, उसमें आपके फोन में होगा. But anyway,
you're right.
Overall, आज का दिन it's not about Rohit Sharma. It's about England dominating and India, thanks to Pujara and Pant, getting back in the game from 73 for 4 to put on 119. Both of them did not look like getting on. Unfortunate way for Pujara to get caught off short leg shoulder at mid wicket, and then Pant to throw it away. Whether you're surprised or not, I was frankly not surprised, because we know that he's now gotten out 4 times in the 90s, so it was on the cards, you might argue. But yes, and just a riveting day, far more engaging than in the past 2 days.
Yeah.
बताइए.
नहीं, मैं तो बस यही कहना चाह रही थी कि एक तो जितने भी लोग हैं, जैसा कि मैंने whatever I said in the starting of this video is that stop predicting anything in cricket, because you saw what happened with Bangladesh West Indies. Who would have thought, and remember the name as everybody's been saying about Kyle Myers, but who would have thought on your debut to score a double 100, chase down 395 to win a test match in Bangladesh, in those home conditions. I guess in Bangladesh had some good spinners. They have a good lineup.
Were beaten the last 2 times.
And they don't have their main players, depleted
no Holder,
side.
No Bravo, no Hetmeyer, so that's a great win, West Indies, great win.
Absolutely. And it's the same with India, England as well, which is why I'm saying this now, Jamie, that this has actually gotten interesting. I would rather have this going on at the 3rd day of a test match. I know a lot of Indian fans would be like, oh my gosh, how can you say that? You want India to be winning. But I'm just saying it makes the series so much more interesting, because you're not following the similar script of, oh my gosh, England comes here, they get out in the first innings and then it's India all the way. This has given, you actually feel like you're playing against a good opposition that is batting well, that is bowling well, that is actually bowling well in these conditions. Who would have thought that their spinner, and Jofra Archer, of course we know how well he bowls, but how Dom Bess would have bowled. So I think it's just made the series, or the first with this, far more interesting with what has happened in the 3 days. But of course now, the good thing is that you still have Ashwin and Sundar, and they were looking good today. They didn't, yes, the pitches started acting up a little bit, but abhi bhi आपको लगता है कि इंडिया के लिए वो नौबत नहीं आएगी फॉलो ऑन करने की, मतलब उनको फॉलो ऑन दे पाएगी? आपको लगता है कि
122 रन है इनके बाद कुछ नहीं है. ईशांत शर्मा, जसप्रीत बुमराह, शहबाज नदीम, you don't expect them to hang on for a long time, though Ishant has in the past. If Ashwin and Sundar are separated early morning, I can see India folding pretty early, and yes, no doubt England follow on to Zarur Degi. They are the team from here, which really cannot lose this match. But 2 days left, a lot can happen. This has been us talking about day 3. Please put your comments below what you think about our videos. आपको लगता है क्या कि day 4 में क्या होगा, day 5 में क्या होगा? Because we love your feedback and we try our best to get back to you. Not always possible, but thank you for joining us. We will get you on day 4.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.